If you're self-employed and have a family, I have a tax tip. Hire your kids. It's good for them to get work experience. If they work in your business, they deliver tax breaks too. You can pay the kids a tax-deductible wage instead of an allowance. You don't owe Social Security or Medicare taxes as long as the child is under 18 and your business is not incorporated. If they earn less than $5,950 in 2013 and are your dependents, they won't owe income taxes either. Another plus is that the child can use some of his or her earnings to start a Roth individual retirement account. There is no tax deduction for the account, but your child doesn't need one. The great value of a Roth is that money invested grows tax-free for life. Now, if your child would rather keep his or her earnings, no surprise, or maybe for college expenses, you can use your own money to set up the Roth in the child's name. You can put away an amount equal to what the child earned or $5,500, whichever is less. Now, there is some paperwork. You should get an employee identification number, which you can do online. You need W-4 forms for withholding taxes, even though you don't withhold. At tax time, you issue a W-2 showing wages earned. There should be timesheets showing the hours worked and written receipts for cash wages paid. The wage has to be reasonable. You can't pay your teenager $50 an hour for paperwork. It's also smart to write a specific job description, just in case the IRS comes to call. One very important thing, the job has to be real work and the child has to be capable of performing it. I would not recommend putting a toddler on the payroll, but a 10-year-old might handle the computer better than you do. If the IRS audits and decides that your children are not really working, you will lose your tax deductions. Now, what if your child is 18 or older? You will owe Social Security, Medicare, and federal unemployment taxes on his or her wages, just as you would for any other employee. But the salary is still tax deductible and you can still set up the child's Roth IRA. You know, a good job gives a young child a good start and can give you good tax breaks too. I'm Jane Bryant Quinn for Dime Spring and The Street.